Hey guys, it's Jade. Welcome back to my channel, Living Unjaded. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my zero waste shower routine. So this is really exciting for me because about a year ago I shared a video that was about bathroom swaps, and I had a lot of beginner crutches and beginner steps toward a less impactful bathroom. And at that point I had pretty much given up on shampoo bars because the ones that I tried had made my hair very waxy and it just felt like the product wasn't coming out all the way. But recently I was able to ditch the plastic once and for all in my shower routine, and I am so excited to share this with you guys. The first product that I reach for in my shower is my shampoo bar, and this is the Sweet and Spicy bar by Ethique. And if you haven't heard of Ethique, or maybe it's just pronounced Ethic, they are a zero waste beauty and body company. So I will leave a link to their website down below and these products that I'm about to show you. But this first one is their Sweet and Spicy shampoo bar. I love it. It smells so good. It smells like citrusy, and I think there's cinnamon in there too. It's just like a really warm, inviting, invigorating scent. And it doesn't leave my hair feeling heavy at all. It does lather, and it really feels like all of the product gets out of my hair. The next thing that I use is this bar. I think it's called the Guardian. It's the green conditioner bar. Again, I'll link it down below. This leaves my hair feeling so moisturized, and it's so smooth. The one thing that I don't like about this bar is that it's kiwi scented. And it's not like real kiwi, it's like fake kiwi scented. And it reminds me of this lip balm that I used to have when I was maybe 6 or 7. And I'm pretty sure I used to eat it. I don't know. I put so much on my lips and I would pick at it and stuff. And I really used to like the smell of it. But now this scent just reminds me of that time. Luckily it doesn't stay in my hair, so it's not that big of a deal, but it does smell a little childish and just brings me back to my 6 and 7-year-old days. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but that's just what happens. Anyway, the next thing that I use is not from Ethique. It's just from my grocery store, and it's just a regular bar of soap. This says that it's Yardley on it. I don't know if that's a well-known brand, but it's a more natural soap that I found at the grocery store, and it was so cheap. It was $1 or something, so that's just what I went with. It came in cardboard packaging, so I was like, this will do. It gets me clean, and I just really lather it up on my armpits and my legs when I want to shave, and it does the job. So after I get out of the shower, I put on lotion, especially if I've shaved that day, and I am currently using up this coconut shea butter blend. And it smells really good, but I don't know if I will be repurchasing it just because I find that regular coconut oil does the trick. So yeah. So after I put this on, usually I put a little bit of coconut oil in my hair, just a teeny tiny bit. I just basically rub my fingertip into a little jar that I have, and then I rub that on both my hands and I just run it through the ends and kind of pat the top of my head. And that is pretty much my entire shower routine. So I'm very excited that I finally got it down to no plastic. It feels really good. What I didn't mention in this video was that I use a safety razor. If you want to see a video all about my safety razor, and if you're considering purchasing one, or if you don't know how to use yours and you just got it or something, then I will have a video linked in the cards. It's just about my experience using a safety razor and how I use it. That sums up my shower routine. Thank you for watching, and if you have any tips or advice for anyone watching this video, then please leave them in the comments down below. I find that the comments on these types of videos really add so much value, and I learn a lot, and I'm hoping that other viewers will learn a lot from your suggestions as well. So please leave those down below, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!